Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 cheapest electric bikes you can buy right now. These electric bikes combine affordability, performance, and quality, making them perfect for anyone looking to start their e-bike journey without breaking the bank. You'll find all the product links in the description below. Let's jump right in. Coming in at number 5 is the Ebikes Peak 5000 watt electric bike. This beast of an e-bike is designed for thrill seekers and serious adventurers. With dual motors delivering a peak power of 5,000 watts and an impressive 220 Newton meters torque, this bike is built to conquer steep inclines and challenging terrain effortlessly. It's capable of reaching speeds of up to 45 miles per hour, making it the fastest on this list. The 52-volt 32HA removable battery offers a range of 35 to 100 miles depending on the mode, ensuring long-distance rides without worrying about running out of juice. In terms of design, the Ebikes features 24-inch fat tires for excellent grip and stability on snow, sand, or mud. Its hydraulic disc brakes provide reliable stopping power, while the aluminum frame and suspension fork ensure durability and comfort on rough trails. The integrated cargo rack adds functionality for commuters or campers who need to haul gear. Plus, the sleek LCD display and phone holder with a USB charger elevate the user experience with modern convenience. While it's a powerful machine, it's worth noting that this e-bike is heavier and may not be ideal for beginners or casual riders. Additionally, its premium features come at a higher cost, making it less budget-friendly despite its classification as cheap. However, if you're after performance and versatility, the Ebikes Peak 5000 watt is an excellent choice for off-road enthusiasts and urban explorers alike. At number 4, we have the Ebikes Fat Tire Folding Electric Bike. This folding e-bike is perfect for adventurers who need portability without sacrificing performance. Powered by a 750-watt rear-drive motor that peaks at 1,100 watts, it delivers speeds up to 28 miles per hour and handles various terrains, including trails, gravel, and even sand. Its 48-volt 13-ampere removable battery provides a range of up to 40 miles, making it an excellent choice for commuting or weekend outdoor explorations. The Ebikes stands out with its folding design, allowing you to store it in tight spaces, such as car trunks or RVs. Its fat 20-inch tires and front suspension fork ensure a smooth ride on rugged paths. Safety is also a priority, with dual disc brakes, integrated LED lights, and hidden cables for a clean, secure setup. The step-over through frame accommodates riders of all heights and makes mounting and dismounting more convenient. The downside to this bike is its weight. At 63 pounds, it's heavier than other folding models, which might make lifting it a challenge. Additionally, while it's versatile and durable, it's not the fastest or most powerful option on this list. However, for riders seeking a balance between portability and performance, this could be a great fit. The Ebikes Fat Tire Folding Bike is an outstanding pick. In the number 3 spot, we have the GoTrax 20-inch folding electric bike. This compact and portable e-bike is perfect for urban commuters or students looking for a reliable and easy-to-store option. With a peak power of 500 watts, it reaches a top speed of 20 miles per hour, making it ideal for city riding. Its 48-volt 7.8 amp-hour battery offers a range of 15.5 miles in pure electric mode or up to 40 miles with pedal assist, ensuring flexibility for different travel needs. The GoTrax R1 features a lightweight folding design that's easy to carry and store. Its 20-inch tires provide stability, and the dual disc brakes ensure safety during sudden stops. The LCD display keeps you informed about speed, battery life, and pedal assist levels, making it user-friendly for beginners. Plus, the bike comes with a bell, LED headlight, and rear reflector for added safety during night rides. While it's a great option for commuters, it lacks the power and range of the higher-ranked bikes, making it less suitable for off-road enthusiasts. Additionally, its rigid frame and smaller tires may not provide the best ride on uneven terrain. However, for those seeking affordability and convenience, the GoTrax R1 is hard to beat. Taking the number 2 spot is the Ebikes 26-inch electric bike. This powerhouse of a bike is equipped with a peak 1500-watt motor, delivering a top speed of 34 miles per hour, and the ability to tackle steep 30-degree inclines with ease. Its 48V 864Wh removable battery offers an impressive range of up to 90 miles in pedal assist mode, making it ideal for long-distance commuting or adventurous weekend rides. The Ebikes features fat 4-inch tires for superior traction on sand, snow, and trails, while the durable high-carbon steel frame ensures longevity. The smart LCD display and Bluetooth-enabled app provide advanced connectivity, including GPS tracking and remote locking for added security. Safety is also a highlight, with hydraulic disc brakes and high-powered LED headlights ensuring visibility and control in any condition. While it offers incredible performance, the Ebikes is bulkier and less portable compared to folding models. Additionally, its higher speed and power may be intimidating for beginners. Nonetheless, for riders seeking a versatile and high-performance e-bike that excels in both urban and off-road settings, the Ebikes is an exceptional choice. Claiming the top spot on our list is the Cybervelo 1000 Peak electric bike. This e-bike strikes an excellent balance between affordability, power, and versatility, making it a perfect choice for all-around use. With a peak 1000-watt motor, it reaches speeds of up to 25 miles per hour and tackles steep inclines with ease. The removable battery provides a range of up to 80 miles, making it ideal for commuting, beach rides, or exploring rugged terrain. The Cybervelo is designed with comfort and safety in mind. Its 26-inch wheels and dual suspension system absorb shocks on uneven surfaces, while the dual-disc brakes ensure reliable stopping power. The water-resistant LCD display provides real-time information on speed, battery life, and pedal assist levels, enhancing usability. Plus, the bike arrives 90% pre-assembled, making setup quick and hassle-free. Although it doesn't have the extreme power or features of higher-end models, the Cybervelo offers unbeatable value for its price point. It's lightweight, durable, and versatile, making it a great choice for beginners and experienced riders alike. Whether you're commuting to work or exploring the outdoors, the Cybervelo 1000 Peak electric bike delivers reliable performance at an affordable price. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this detailed review of the top 5 cheapest electric bikes. If this video helped you make a decision, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more product reviews like this. If you have any questions about these e-bikes, feel free to drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you. See you in the next video.